In this video, we're gonna build out a website that pays you in minutes using DeepSeek and this brand new AI tool that you have to see to believe. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world thanks to the power of AI. Also throughout this video, I'll be leveraging a Google Doc that I put together that is going to allow you to prompt AI like DeepSeek or ChatGPT. And if you'd like access to this Google Doc, I will give it to you 100% free. Just drop a comment below. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to get started. So obviously to get started with this method, we're gonna need to have an idea of a website we wanna build out. This can be a website for your own business, but what I'm doing is something called lead generation. And I wanna build out a website for the solar industry in Winter Garden, Florida. So that's what I'm gonna do in the example of this video. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take all the leads that come in from this website that I build with AI in just minutes, and I'm gonna automatically sell them to a solar company that's in the area right here. So I'll show you how I do that later, but let's dive in first to actually creating the website. You're gonna be shocked by how easy this is thanks to the power of AI. So this particular first AI editor we're using combined with DeepSeek comes built into a hosting platform called Hostinger. You can get started with Hostinger really cheap for as little as $3 a month, depending on what package you choose. Now, if you go to pauljames.com/hosting, there's a really good deal. You can get 75% off managed hosting through my link. And again, you need this hosting in order to use the AI website builder that I'm gonna be showing you here in just a couple minutes. So go ahead and visit that link and you can click claim the deal to claim the deal. You can go through and see which one's gonna work best for you. I'm gonna recommend, most of you guys probably are gonna go and fall under this business plan here. So you would just choose a plan that's gonna work for you like this. Now you can get an extra 10% off if you click this coupon code section here and enter in the code Paul James, all caps lock, no space. And just like that, you'll receive an additional 10% off here. So you can select which period you want. If you go longer, this is a 48-month commitment, you're gonna get it a lot cheaper. So you can see it's only comes out to $3.59 a month. If that doesn't work for you, you wanna go, not as far out, you can click this little drop down here and pick a time span that's shorter. The monthly fee will just go up a little bit depending on how much length of time that you wanna go up to. All right, so now that you've checked out and you've purchased your website hosting, the next step is to set it up. And inside of here, this is called the H panel. It's the Hostinger H panel, and this is where everything is stored, and you'll get an email with all of the login information to access this. So what you want to do is under the website list here, you're going to see your web hosting loaded into your account, depending on which one you clicked. And you're going to see a button over here that says setup, okay, to start setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click that so you can see what it looks like, and we'll walk through it together. So click who's this website for? We'll click next. Do you want to create or migrate a website? So this just depends. If you already have a website somewhere else and you want to bring it over, you can do that. But for most people, you're probably starting off creating a website. So we'll select that one. Okay, how do you want to build your website? Do you want to use WordPress or do you want to use Hostinger's built-in website builder? So it's up to you. You can do whichever one you want. I really like WordPress because it gives you the flexibility of plugins and things like that. Okay, now you can go and choose from a pre-built website and theme, or Hostinger has this really cool feature where you can create the website with AI. And this is why I really recommend this web host nowadays, because it just makes it so easy. So you guys know I love AI. I'm gonna go ahead and create the website with AI. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a domain name that I wanna use for this new AI website. All right, I went ahead and picked my domain name here, and now I'm gonna hit next. Go ahead and fill out these key details to go ahead and register your domain name. And now we're gonna go ahead and finish our registration, wait for this to load. All right, you can choose where your target audience is located. This doesn't have to be exact. Just pick the closest spot available to you because it's just going to improve the speed of the website being served to them. Okay, so now WordPress is installed. We're going to begin to start building the website. So let's call our site something. Go ahead and choose a website type and then go ahead and describe your website. Okay, so there we go. I typed in that my site name is Winter Garden Solar Experts. It's a business and services type of website. And we help homeowners in Winter Garden, Florida get a free quote on solar for their home. So I plan on using this site for lead generation. And depending on what you're going to use the site for, you might type in something similar, just like I did here. And let's go ahead and hit create and see what we come up with. All right, guys. And just like that, it came back with a beautiful looking website ready for me to just enter in my details, like my call tracking phone number and things like that. So I can go ahead now and click confirm and edit, or if I don't like the way it looks, I can hit create again. Now, if you really want to turn things up a notch, you can use an AI tool like DeepSeek to actually come up with the prompt for you. Now, I've gone ahead and I've already done the work for you. If you want to just use the one that I have a Google Doc here that you can just plug and play, leave a comment, and I'll drop the link to the Google Doc for you. You can just go ahead and just copy and paste the prompt then, and you're gonna wanna make sure you just replace the niche here. Okay, so let's see what that comes out with. All right, so you can see the kind of website it built out now. I think it looks even a little bit better. So that's kind of the difference, and it's a really cool, powerful tool. So from that point, we can hit confirm and edit. And now we've got our fully functional WordPress website where we can go through and start editing things. Like if we wanna change the phone number here, it's as easy as coming in here and typing in whatever our tracking phone number is for the website. So the way that we do this is we head into a software called DialHawk. And by the way, if you go to DialHawk's website, the price is like over $2,000 a year. I have a special deal I'll link in the description of this video that you can go and you can get access to it for way cheaper, like $50 a month, and you can get access to everything for a very low cost. So go check that out if this is interesting to you. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new campaign under here. We're gonna name it Winter Garden Solar Company Leads. And we're going to bill $100 per lead for these leads that come in. We're gonna save this campaign. Now all we need to do is grab a tracking phone number for it. So we're gonna come under the phone numbers tab. We're gonna click buy a new number. We're gonna do it for the state of Florida, since this is Winter Garden, Florida. This is the website we built. And now we can pick one of these phone numbers out. It costs us only $1 per month, $1.15. So we're gonna go ahead and buy that phone number. And obviously we're making $100 per lead. So this is an absolute no-brainer because this is gonna track everything and sell the leads for us on autopilot, which turns this AI website that we just built into a complete automated machine. Okay, so we're gonna edit the phone number, name it something that we can remember it by. Okay, that looks good. Now, this is where the magic happens. We're gonna forward this tracking phone number to multiple numbers all at once. And all we need to do is go and find a couple of solar companies in Google that we wanna sell these leads to. So here's one, we're gonna copy and paste their phone number in here, separate it by a comma, and then we're gonna go and grab another one. Here's another one. And then let's grab one more. I usually like to do this like, I don't know, like 5 times maybe, like 3 to 5 times. Okay, there we go. There's another one. All right, great. Now, this is the last step. Under call features, we're going to enable what's called a whisper feature. And the whisper feature, we're going to say, this free lead was sent to you by Paul. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. Someone's going to land on the AI website that we just built. Okay, when they land on that website, we're going to insert our tracking phone number. So this is going to be the phone number right here that we're going to have people call. So we're going to go back into the website, place that tracking phone number there. So when they call for a free estimate, the phone is going to ring. We're not going to answer it. It's going to automatically forward over to these 3 companies. Now, whoever answers the call first is going to get the lead. But before they're connected with the customer, a message is going to play, that whisper feature. It's going to say, this free lead was sent to you by Paul. And then they're going to be connected to the customer. They're going to land a nice solar client that they're going to install probably a $10,000, $12,000 solar system for. And they're going to be thinking, wow, who's this guy Paul that's been sending me these great leads? We're going to be able to monitor this under the reports tab inside of DialHawk, right? And when we see that they got sent a lead, we're going to follow up with them. We're going to look who got it, because it's going to show us, okay, Aussie Solar Energy got it, or it's going to say Florida Power Management got it. And we're gonna reach out to them. We'll go to their website. Maybe we'll call them. Maybe we'll see if we can fill out a contact form, or maybe at the bottom of their website we can find an email under the contact us page perhaps, or if there's just a form we can fill out. Here we go, here's an email. And we'll message them and we'll say, hey, I'm Paul. I've been sending you the leads. What do you think? Do you wanna keep getting them? It's just $100 per lead. Obviously a no-brainer for you. You're making $12,000 off of this install. $100 is nothing, right? Boom, we land a client, they say yes. And what we do is we go back into DialHawk, we go under the invoices tab and we set up a recurring invoice that bills them however often you want, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. and it automatically bills them for all of the leads that came in. It goes and it totals up, hey, they got this many calls from our AI website, and we're billing them $100 per call. So if it got 10 calls, it'll do 10 times 100, and boom, we just made $1,000 doing basically nothing. So I'll leave a link to that software below this video, along with the AI website builder that we used in this video. And if you'd like that Google Doc that has all the prompts that we use with DeepSeek, just leave a comment and I can go ahead and link that to you as well. But anyways, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you're excited to get started with this strategy, because it is a really powerful and great strategy, and I'm excited for you to get started with it. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will be uploading more like it in the future. Anyways, thank you so much. We'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.